Hello everyone, today let me introduce the products to you. There are many kinds of carbon fiber plate. You can see this is our colorful carbon fiber plate, and this is our stand-off carbon fiber plate. Okay, let me introduce this plate. Most customers like used to sweet-cake carbon fiber plate. You can see its surface is 12 meters. The plate is made of airport resin and UD curls, and made by high temperature, so they are very hard. Its regular size is 400 by 500 mm and 500 by 600 mm. The thickness is 0.3 and 20 mm. We can also customize large size like 1000 by 1000 mm. Okay, let me look at this plate. This is our colorful carbon fiber plate. Please see the surface. The top and the bottom are the same. And if you need free private cutting service and logo service, simple order is welcome. If you are interested, please contact me. See you later. Bye bye.